You hear that? 1 month that gone out of the tree, you know. I want to know where you're depending, you know.
No, Pantance. We can't just rush it, sir. It don't look suspicious.
I'm not curious look, you know. That's not my problem, you know. Because the money just can't return, you know. You hear that, Maureen?
Me know that.
Well, if you know, do the right thing, Maureen.
Yo, Bridget, remember some can't just go in a Western Union, sir, you know. Yo, them have on them file. And then like last time when you...
Tell no obvious. Because I know that already.
Then have some patience, no, Bridget.
Patient. You think me a doctor or hospital me a run? A 750,000 you talk about in a Marine.
But you never give me all the information.
I make me have nothing, you know. Come and send all the paperwork until you just walk with 2 ID.
I never remember it 2 ID.
Yeah, man, break it down to you. You might feel a joke thing this. You say if the money you go back, me in a trouble. And if me in a trouble, you in a trouble to Maureen.
Boss, me tell you say, me go ask a little girl to do it.
3 weeks now you tell you the same thing. Time I run out. We need the money here. Because after 90 days, the money will return.
Me go get her to do it, man. Just don't worry yourself. Me get her to do it.
Worry? I don't miss for worry. I live for worry. Because any other money they not run. A blood that go run. And my blood that run. Your blood that run.
What's that? Hi, what going on, my daughter? You alright? Yeah, mama, good. I want to talk to you about something. I can't come see you now, right now. No, I can't talk on the phone. I have to talk to you face to face, alright? Alright. Alright, I soon come. Cool.
Hello, this is agency 043003. Request clearance on deep search. I'm blocked. Alright, thanks. Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Yes, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. I called the agency to do a deep search and they say I was blocked.
A deep search?
Yeah.
On who exactly? And which assignment is it attached to?
I'm doing a deep search on my mother.
On your mother?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Have you spoken to Bubbles about it?
Yes, sir. I talked to Bubbles already.
What did she say?
She said I can go ahead and do the deep search.
Okay. Try them back in about half an hour.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, man.
Greetings. Well, go on, young lady.